Welcome to Jodoin Health. I'm Mike, and I'm here to help you bring more health into your home. I have immersed myself in all things to do with health and wellness, and I'm here to share this knowledge with you. My journey began with my wife becoming pregnant with our first child. And with a child on the way, and a well-timed suggestion from a good friend, I was fortunate enough to learn about the importance of healthy foods and how it plays a role in all things to do with health. And what do you know? I lost 50 pounds. I got off my heartburn medication, and I seemingly eliminated the arthritis in my knees. Although having a healthy weight is important for good health, there are many things that can be done to achieve great health. Living and feeling great can't only come from eating quality foods, it also comes with our quality of sleep, the way we move our bodies, and the chemicals we expose ourselves to. This channel will be your source for everything to do with health and wellness. You will find episodes released weekly with useful information that you can implement today. I will teach you how healthy foods and lifestyle can affect your quality of life, and I will share with you everything that I believe to be the foundations of good health for you and your family. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment and say hi and let me know what kind of episodes you would like to see. Thanks.